Hello boaters, I'm on the Oxford Canal and that's Kidlington Green lock just in front of me, and a narrowboat crashes right into the lock gate. Now not this boat in front of me, they've got nothing to do with it whatsoever, they're just waiting. The arrow is marking a boat coming in from the top side of the lock, and unfortunately their gearbox fails and they end up ramming the lower gate. It's a bit hard to see what happens, but I'll repeat the clip after this and then I'll zoom in and we'll see a bit better. That was quite a bash, and you can see the lock beam move quite violently. It really wasn't their fault, it was just a gearbox failure, but they tried to put the engine into reverse and they just ended up going faster forwards, unfortunately. You can see them trying to stop the boat moving there, but really there's nothing much you can do. All I can say is that we're really lucky that that lock gate didn't fail completely, because the other gate would have been open and we'd have had an almighty flood which probably would have sunk the boats below the lock, mine included of course. Either way, I bet they had a lot of broken crockery etc. in their boat. I mean, what a state this lock is in. Look, we've got this overhanging tree here, which means the path has to divert around it. This is a small lock, but look, the lock beam has already been bodged in some way. I don't know what happened here, but it's quite bendy to operate. And the lock beam looks rotten. And you can see where it's been hit. You can see the crack in the wood. That's quite major damage. They've chained these paddles up. I don't know. I don't think the actual lock gate itself is seriously damaged, but certainly the top beam is. Whether that can be braced and repaired, I don't know. As you can see, they have padlocked it up. Not so much to see this side. I don't know if they've locked the top up. I can see a higher boat approaching. They'll be disappointed they don't know that the lock is closed. At the time of recording this, well, we don't know how long this lock is going to be out of action for. It could be a quick fix and get it running again, or it could be days or weeks even. This doesn't appear to be locked at all. And again, this beam looks very rotten. Oh well, never a dull moment on the canals. Thank you for watching.